Well, this is cool. They said they have a large part of the shade structure up and you can walk through some of it. But unfortunately, I gotta go around. I can't get to there through here. I want to show it. I was here about a month ago. They only had a little bit of it up, so they made pretty good progress. They said you can go under part of it, I thought.
They're starting to build it down. The space shuttle over here. Wow.
Yeah, I think I see some people down over there. So you can go in that section over there. I don't know. Seems like that's going to be harder to see a bit. Maybe they'll put a few lights on there to help illuminate it a little bit. Like I said before, I've been on the fence whether I'm going to like it or not. I'm not too sure. It looks kind of dark in there.
Are you ready?
I understand why you had it, because there would be no shade out there at all. And it is definitely toasty out there. But the shade structure does look pretty impressive looking. And look, there's a guy up there. It's a pretty big climb. I wouldn't want to climb up there. Alright, I'm going to head down there. Excuse me. And check it out. Just got to go around. So you also have basically a construction update on this, on the shade structure for Miniland. Okay, here we go. We get to walk under a little bit of it, a little bit of a preview over here. Walking through the former Star Wars section. And I really wish they didn't take that out, but that was super cool. I'm hoping they eventually put something here again. Let's see. It looks a little bit darker under there than I would like, but it might be because I'm standing in the sun. That's how it is when I actually get under there. Boy, that's weird looking. So last time I really looked over here, it's what, a couple of months or so ago when this was open last, and this wasn't here, so it certainly went up quickly. Wow. Definitely feels different. Obviously this just doesn't feel as open, but that's going to be with the shade structure on here. This feels different, definitely. But I know one thing, is definitely cooler in here than it would be without it. Cooler feeling, still hot, but not as bad as it would be. Wow, look at that. Imagine how heavy those things are. They're gonna have this done soon. And most of this was put up, what, in about a month? It shouldn't take that much longer. Wow. I gotta say, it definitely is impressive looking, I think. Very cool. Like I said, I'm still on the fence whether I like this like this or like it when it was all sunny. But I can get used to this. That's where I was, up there. And I showed you the other angle. One thing with the shade structure, should give some extra life to these Lego buildings. And those things are huge. Much bigger than you think. You have to be here. But I'm decently tall. They're probably, that one there, the Empire State Building, is probably 3 or 4 times my height. This thing. Wow. Danger, hard hat area. Someone's winning. Let's see. Into the sun. Yeah, it's definitely noticeably hotter. So they're all taking a break right now.
Thank